In this video, you will learn how to connect your Bybit EU account to Blockpit for seamless tax reporting and free portfolio tracking. First, we need to create an API key on Bybit EU. Navigate to your profile and click on Account. Scroll all the way down to the footer of the page and click on Tax API. Next, click Create a new tax API, enter Blockpit as your API key name, so you know what it's for, and then click Create API Key. Enter your 2FA code to confirm and hit Submit. This next step is important. Copy both your API key and your API secret and save them in a safe place. They are only shown to you this one time, so make sure you copy them right now. Once you're done, click OK. Then scroll down and click Get Started in the Blockpit section. You'll see a special discount code right here. Copy this code as well, then click Proceed to sign up. On the landing page, click Create Blockpit account. If you already have an account, simply skip this step and log in. Otherwise, enter your email and password. Check your inbox and activate your account by clicking the button in the activation email. Back in Blockpit, choose your country and click Next. On the integration screen, search for Bybit and choose Bybit EU. Paste the API key and the API secret that we copied earlier into the respective fields and click Continue. You can add any other integrations you might have here, or if you're finished, just click I'm done. Once you're done with the onboarding, you'll land on the main integration screen. Your Bybit EU portfolio will now sync for the very first time. Once the sync is complete, you can use Blockpit to document and track your entire portfolio completely for free. When it's time to get your tax report, head over to the shop page. As a new customer, you get 50% off all tax licenses in your first cart. Your discount should be automatically applied at checkout, but if not, or if you're an existing user, simply paste the discount code you copied earlier. Wishing you a smooth tax season.